Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to make a bag out of the biscuit tin. Okay, we have this beautiful biscuit tin which is too pretty to throw away, so I'm going to reuse it and make it a bag. And for this project, we need this yarn and what I call it, hook for the back and the crochet hook. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first we are going to make a simple simple attachment for the back hook. I'm going to make a sling bag, so we use crochet, but if you want to use leather or fabric, it's by all means just do. I prefer to use crochet because I can easily adjust. Okay, think about this size. Yeah. Okay. Just simple crocheting. Okay. Just continue until you get the desired size. I think it's too small. Yep, it's too small. I have to redo. Sorry for this, but basically it's the same. I will pause it. Basically it's the same, just make a simple. Just continue to do this until you have the desired size.
Now.
I'm recording. Let me finish it first, okay?
What's this?
Oh, I'm going to make a bag.
Okay.
Out of the biscuit tin.
Biscuit tin.
I'm going to pause this video.
Then we go down to the jungle. And then we come back up.
No.
With the video still pause.
Look.
Huh?
Okay. We are reaching the end already. So we just end up this part as per usual. Yeah. Then we just do this and cut. after we cut, just hide the ends inside. I'm making video.
Okay. Wait, about the back thing.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, well, I think it's hidden enough. We are going to sew it anyway. Yes. Wait. Okay. And we need 2 of these because we have 2 hooks. Okay, we are going to do it like this. And I already made the other one. Okay, quite thick. The size is just nice. Neat. Let's do this. Okay, we have 2 of these. Next, we need to make hole to attach these things to the back. Okay. Actually, biscuit things are not too hard, so you can use normal screwdriver. I use the Phillips screwdriver to make hole. I already make hole here. I use this screwdriver, just use a little bit force. Okay, and I make 2 holes on the other side too. Okay, it will look something like this. Can you see? Okay, the small hole. And next, we are going to attach this hook here. For this, I'm going to use aluminum wire, but if you don't have wires, you can use big paper clip. Choose the thick one so it will be more durable. Okay, like that. I'll pause. Okay, for the wire, I'm going to use this aluminum wire. I think the size is just nice for this project. Wow, this wire is so soft. Oh no, not big enough. I guess I have to make it a little bit bigger. Let me try again. Okay, just nice. Sorry, can't see. It's not that hard to do. Just make it a bit bigger. Okay, nice. You can see now. You can go through. Okay. And we need this. I think I need to cut it first to make it easier for us to work. And whenever you work with wires, don't forget use this to protect your eyes. Okay, safety first. How long? Okay, I think about this size. This wire is really soft. Okay. I guess I want to make it simple, just fold it like that. But on the outside, I need to make it nicer. Okay, I fold it. I guess you can make it nicer by put stitches here around it, but basically this is the idea. Okay, let's just follow it. Something like this, and put it here, and then press it. Ta-da! Something like this, and we will do the same on the other side. I'll pause it first. Ouch. Oops. Let's put on the other side. Just do the same. And fold. Now the handle is done. You can decorate the inside. You can put lining or whatever. But basically, for me, it's done. Now look at this, so pretty. The thing is too pretty to throw away. And then for the handle, I'll use my old back handle. And attach it like this. Yes, it's almost done.
And then you make it and then you made another bag.
Huh? What did you say?
You made a useless bag.
It's not useless. Ta-da! Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you are inspired by it. Have a nice day.